Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to the Balance University podcast. I'm your host, Nick Costulis. Today, I have a stupid ass analogy that I want to do for you guys, where I basically tell you guys that I think social media marketing clients, closing social media marketing clients, and getting girls are literally the exact same thing. Now, let me break down why I believe that. Getting social media marketing clients and getting girls, there's a cold approach and there's a warm approach. What is a warm approach? Warm approach means somebody that's already expressed interest in you. Say your friend, my friend's girlfriend has a friend for you, and she's single and she thinks you're attractive. I would consider that a warm lead. You have a cold lead where it's like you're at the bar and then you see a girl you think's attractive. You guys make eye contact, and then you go over to her. You say, "What's up?" That's a cold lead. That's a much harder close than somebody who's already expressed interest in you. The same exact thing goes for business. So what do I mean by that? As a person who is exceptional at cold calling, who's calling me? My dad. Yo, what up, Dad?
Yeah, I think I'm driving. You sent me a text.
Yeah.
What's up?
I said, word for word, I said, "Thank you for believing in me. I truly believe this decision will change our entire family's life. Me and you will be absurdly rich together."
Okay.
That's what I
All
said.
right. Well, hopefully we'll see what happens.
We will see what happens.
Everything's
So
a risk. You have to try. If you don't try, you're going to regret it.
that's what I'm saying. So I appreciate you, trusting me, because I'm all in. I think that this guy is totally legit. I vetted him completely. I looked at all of his testimonials. The refund policy is there. He shows the proof of how much money he's generating monthly. Like, if he gives me the appointments, I'm gonna close these people like it's nothing.
Right. Okay. Well, like I said, we'll try it out. If it works, you keep doing it. If it doesn't work, you tried it, but, it is what it is.
Yeah, you get your money back, and it's all good. I don't mind. I'll eat the advertising budget because I'm spending money on an ad budget anyway. So, it's a I'll get money back from taxes because it's a write off anyway. So
All right. So, again, once you get the contract from him, show it to Frank. See if it looks good. Look over everything, together, or, through a Zoom call or whatever. And then once that you both agree upon it, then let me know. Then I'll write you a check.
all right, sounds good, Dad.
All right, then let me get back to Queens.
All right, love you.
Love you too. All right, bye.
Bye. So the timing of that call was perfect because that leads me into what I was about to say and how you could translate what's a warm lead for business. So as you guys know from previous videos that I've made, that I run ads to get myself clients, to get warm leads. So you guys, anybody who signed up for a mentorship coaching call with me knows I have a scheduler where you fill out, the time you want to work with me, you fill out a little questionnaire, etc. So the same thing, I have the exact same thing set up for my agency. And I'm paying this company that I found in an Instagram ad. Now, what my dad just called me about was that he's giving me $7,500 so I could pay upfront to this company for 3 months to run my ads. I'm going to be spending $7,000 to $10,000 on ads for February. So I was like, "Yo, Dad, can you front me the other half of that so that I can spend all I could focus on the ad budget and then pay him back slowly." I'm in a position in my life where I'm doing exceptional. My agency is doing really well, and I've done it and I built it on cold calling. And the same way, like with girls, like you can get a shit ton of girls by just walking up to them and introducing yourself and cold approaching them. But my buddy is, he took a year. He was doing SMMA with me, and then he quit. He was like, "Fuck this! I don't want to do this business model anymore." So he decided to do modeling, and then he got some ridiculously high quality pictures. He's a good looking dude. That shit really paid the fuck off for him for this reason. He then decided to start an OnlyFans agency, and he has a ridiculous amount of hot girls follow, liking his shit, saying that, complimenting him, just warm leads all day. Then smoke shows across the entire island, Long Island. And it's because he has 5 really high quality pictures. That's his testimonial. and he has that on Hinge, Tinder, etc. So his dating profile is just crazy high value to these girls who are smoke shows. So it is so easy, and I've noticed it with myself. Like the girls that I've approached cold are like it's a lot harder to, get with them than the girls who hit me up on Hinge and they comment on my photo saying, "Hi, handsome," with a smiley face. You know what I'm saying? That's a way easier, way easier situation because that girl is basically saying, "Hey, I like you. I'm in the market for what you got going on, bruv. Sign me up." And then it's a easy, it's a layup. The same way a client filling out a scheduler is basically saying, "Hey, listen, I'm in the market. I need somebody to do my marketing." Then you have a warm lead. It's not just me going, "Hey," and making a cold call. "Hey, how's it going? Like, do you have a second? I'd love to tell you I could be valuable to your company." And then I'm pitching somebody who's not necessarily in the market, but somebody who is in the market is going to sign up for a call. And then that's what I'm paying this company to do for 3 months. And then basically that's how I'm going to scale my agency upwards to, $150,000 per month. So, the industry that I'm targeting is going to be plastic surgeons. So, dude, it's about to be wild. So make sure you guys subscribe because I'm going to share every step of the journey. I'm very upfront with you guys and very open with everything that I do because I love to create win-win situations for the both of us. If I can help you scale your marketing agency that creates testimonials and it's like a positive feedback loop, then 10 more people will sign up for Balance University. I'm going to ultimately grow my mentorship coaching because how I see it is I'm going to teach people how to start a marketing agency and make you guys masters at selling and then charge you $3,000 a month to get you appointments. And then you close them and then you scale, you scale to 50 to 100K a month and you'll happily pay me $3,000 a month to get those, those appointments booked in your calendar. So that's ultimately my goal, to be rich as fuck. You guys see me posting those stupid ass like model pics on Instagram over the next few months, you're going to be like, "Nick, you look kind of weird. What are you doing?" Girls like that shit. When you take care of yourself and you have a really high quality photo of yourself, you have a couple, your Instagram is literally your resume for females. The testimonials you have for your business is like your resume for SMMA. And that's how SMMA or girls are exactly the same. It's much easier to close warm leads than it is to close cold leads. But you can do both. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dad, thank you so much for calling me at that exact time. That was perfect timing. That was awesome. The stars are aligning. You know what I'm saying? On some weird, spiritual shit. So subscribe if you guys are new. New videos every single day. Peace out. Sign up for a call. We'll do some mentorship coaching. It's a free call. Any questions you guys have, I'll answer them. Peace out.